Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning with efforts extending towards students, teachers and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Hi everyone, how are you? How are you dear children? Yes, now stand up, jump and say 3 times. Hi, hello, how are you? Yes, I hope everyone are fine and fit. Are you ready for the class? Yes, okay. What we will do before the class? Yes, as usual, as you know, before starting the class, we will do some activity, rhymes, okay? Okay, now tell me what we can do today. Yes, okay. In your previous class, what you have learned in that previous class? What you learned in your previous class? Yes, you learned which word? Yes, rhyming words and action words. Yes, today we will play one action game. Are you ready for that? Okay. Let's play. Now, first I will say some of the action words. You have to act and show me. Okay, are you ready for that? Say yes or no? Yes. Okay, now please stand up everyone. Okay. Please stand up everyone. Please stand up. Yes. Okay. Now I will tell some of the action words. You have to act and show me. Okay children? Yes, are you ready? Yes. Now, the first action word is writing. Show me the action of writing. How you will write? Show me. Yes, you will write in a which part of the body you will use? Yes, your finger, your hand you will use for writing. Okay, next action word is sleeping. Your favorite action. Sleeping. Please do everyone, please. Yes. Yes. Which action is this? Sleepy. Sleeping. Yes, very good. And the next action word is jumping. You like jumping? Yes or no? Yes. Please jump 3 times. Yes, everyone, please jump. 1, 2 and 3. Yes, this is called big jump. Which action word? Jump, jumping. Next, and the next word is reading. How you will read? Show me how you will read. Using books. Yes, this is called reading. Very good. Yes. And the next word is dancing. How you will dance? Yes, do everyone dance? You like dance? Yes, no? You like dance period? Yes, rhymes, action. Yes, no children? Yes, do dance. Yes, whichever step you like, you can do the dance. Yes, very good. Dance, everyone, please dance. Yes. This is called which action word? Yes, this is called dance. This is called which action word? Is action. Which action? Yes, dance. Next one is singing. How you will sing? Do you like singing? Yes. Now first you have to sing. Show me the action. Singing. How you will sing? Yes. What you will use for singing? What is this in your hand? Yes, mic. You need mic for the louder voice. Yes, no? Yes, in function, anyway, if you a stage program, you have to use the mic. Yes, that is called singing. You have to sing loudly with the melodiously. Yes, no? Yes, that is called singing. And next word is, which word? Can you please tell me some of the words? Action words. Yes. Running. How you will run? Show me how you will run. Yes. Fast running. And slow running. Yes. Slowly. And now fast running. Yes. And next word is running over. Then jumping, writing. Then sleepy. Then eating. How you will eat? Show me the action of eating. How we will eat? Like this? No, this is called what? Which action? This is called, yes, this is called drinking. And how you will eat? Yes, like this, with a spoon or in your finger you will eat. Yes, that is called eating. Yes, okay. Now I will say fast, you have to do the fast action, okay? Yes, now fast, running. Fast, run. Yes, riding. Yeah, jumping. Yes. Then, touch the sky, touch. Yes. And shake your hands, shake your hands. Yes. And hopping, one leg hopping. Yes. Sleeping. And drinking. Yes. Very good. These all words are called action words. Okay, well done. Clap children, clap yourself and pat yourself. Yes, very good. Now, please be seated on your place. Okay, children? Yes. Okay. Now, as I told, whenever you are going to be in class, the handling class should be used always with you in front of you. Keep with your textbook and pencil, eraser, scale and notebook. Everything you should keep with you only in front of you. Okay, children? Yes. Today we are going to write in notebook. Okay? In notebook, some of the instruction. I will tell some of the instruction. You have to follow that. Okay, children? Always keep in your mind before writing in the notebook. Okay, children? Yes. This is first time. You are going to write the first time in your notebook. This is your first time now. So, have to write in the notebook. You have to write the question and answer everything in the notebook. Some of the instruction is there. How to write in the books. So, I am going to tell you now. Okay, children? Before that, take your notebook. Yes. For English, which notebook you will use? 3 line, 2 line or 4 line or square line? Which book you will use? Yes. For English subject you will use how many lines book? Yes. 4 line books. Take your 4 line books, children. Yes. Before writing in the notes, see, always bind your books and write your name, class, section later we will tell, and next roll number also later we will tell, and subject. Name and your class and subject. Please mention in your books, okay? Take in notebook as well as in your textbook also. Okay, children? Yes. Bind it neatly like this, okay? See? Bind your textbook and as well as your notebook also. And mention your name, class, section and roll number later we will tell. And write the subject. Which subject? English, EVS and Maths, Hindi, Kannada, like that. Okay, children? Yes. Now, open your notebook. See. Yes. So, you have to write in the first page. And what you have to use? You should write in for the notebook. What you will use? Pen or pencil? What you will use? Yes, you have to use the pencil. Okay, children? Now, be ready with 4-line notebook and pencil and eraser. Okay? Have to write neatly, as you know. If you write neatly, if you keep your books neatly, you will get the what? Your favorite. Yes, you will get the prize and you will get more stars also. See, keep your books neatly, notebook as well as the textbook also. Okay? Yes. See, bind it neatly and don't fold here. corner, don't fold it, okay? Keep it neatly, okay children, while writing also. So your handwriting should be neat in a proper line, understood? Yes, okay. Now first, before writing the subject or the lesson, I have to write the what? I have to write the date. Where you have to write the date? Do you know where to write the date? Yes, you have to write the date inside the margin. Here one standing line is the long standing line. You have to write inside the margin. You should not go out of the margin. You should write inside the margin. Okay children, here you have to write the date. Okay, shall we write today's date? Yes, today's date is 4/04. Bar will be there, will come, and 07. 4 is date, 7 is which month? Which month is this now? Yes, July. Yes, July is the which month of the year? 7th month of the year. And one more line, and after that, which year? Date, month, after what will come? Yes, year. What is the year now? Which year is this? 2020. You have to write the date here. Okay, I will show you. See? 4, 7 and 2020. Okay children, see, like this you have to write the date. After that you have to write the lesson number and name of the lesson. Chapter number and chapter name you have to write here. Okay children, you have to write up. Okay children, here you have to write the chapter number and you have to write the lesson name. Got it children? Shall we write the date? Shall we write the lesson name? Yes. This chapter number is first 1. This chapter number is 1. Okay, 1. And the lesson name? What is the lesson? What is your chapter name? First English chapter. Yes, which story? The Fox and the Grapes. Now, the first letter will be the T, H, E. Write the T, H, E. Write the fox. Give little bit gaps, and after next word. After each word you have to give me little bit gap. Okay children, next. The after give little bit space in that. Okay. Yes. The fox. Fox spelling. What will be the fox spelling? F O X. Fox. What is the spelling of fox? F-O-X. F-O-X. The fox. Write down children. The fox. Over the fox and what is the spelling of and? And A-N-D. And the fox and the again give little space and again the small letter will come the T-H-E the fox and A-N-D and the fox and the grapes. Grapes. Do you know the spelling of grapes? Give little space. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. What is the name of the lesson? The fox and the grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Just you have to underline it, children. you not underline, that is also okay. Just write the date. Write the date inside the margin. Then next, middle in your notebook you have to write in the middle. If it's long, take here near the margin. Okay, children. Number first chapter, number, lesson number, and one small dot. Then the T, first letter. See, please keep in your mind always when you are writing the first words, you have to write in a capital, or name, when you are writing the name, you have to write in a capital. Okay, so the starting letter should be capital. First the T H E. Write it down. T H E becomes the fox. Again I am repeating those words. Write in your books neatly. Give a little space after each words. Give a space and then write. Fox. Fox. The fox. Over. And A and D. And A and D. And the fox and the. And after next word is give little space. The, yes, the will come small little t will come. T H E. The fox and the over the T H here T becomes small letter. Okay, yes. Then last word is give little space. The fox and the grapes. What is the spelling of grapes? G will be capital letter. Okay, G R A P E S. Grapes. Fox and the grapes. So children, lesson chapter name. Over. Okay. Okay. Now we'll write the difficult words or a hard word which came in this lesson. Shall we write it? Yes. Now first word is, now whichever the number or answer, if you are writing the question answer, have to write in the margin, inside the margin, and rest all answer everything in this line after the margin lines. Okay children. Now if you are writing the first main, if you are writing the first main, you have to write inside the margin, or a number or answer. If you are writing question answer, that you should write inside the margin. Okay children. Now first main, in this lesson I am going to give you first main is difficult words, or you can say hard words. Say difficult words which is little bit difficult to pronounce for you. Okay children. Okay, now first main is, right, the first main like this Roman number will come. Sleeping, standing line and downwards and upwards one sleeping line. That's called Roman number. Later you will learn that. Okay. Or you can write the number 1 also. If you write number 1, that is also correct. Okay. Next, after that you have to write the main topic. What you are writing. If you are writing difficult or rhyming words, you have to write the headings, or question answer. If you are writing match the following or fill in the blanks, you have to write the headings in your notebook. Okay children. Yes. Now I have to write the difficult words. Shall we write the difficult words? Yes. Once we will recall it. Okay children. Which are the difficult words has came? Take, see, while writing in the notebook, I have to keep your textbook in front of you, or you can keep on your lap also. Okay. Now first word, which word has came in your textbook while reading? I told already, which is a difficult word. You have to practice at home. The first word is yes, hungry. Very good. You are feeling hungry. Hungry. It is little difficult to pronounce. Hungry. Then grapes. Then bunch. Yes, bunch. Then tries. Trying. Then what is that? Yes, sour. S-O-U-R. Sour. Then Then he tried. He tried. How? Yes, again and again. Again. A-G-A-I-N. Yes, again and again. Tries again and again. Then, yes, yes, here you can see that. Yes, walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. Okay, shall we write those words, children? Yes, which is the first word? Tell me the first main words. Yes, this is called difficult word. Shall we write the spelling? Do you know the spelling of difficult? Do you know the spelling of difficult? No, I will teach you now. Difficult. First, here near the margin, have to write. Okay, children. First line, have to write capital letter D. D. Write D. Over. D. I in two line. D I. Over. Yaf. Yaf. D I F F. Difficult. Diffy. F E means which letter? I. Write neat. Your handwriting should be neat. You will get the most talent. You will get the prize. You have to write neatly in the correct line. Okay, children? Yes. D-I-F-F-I. Difficult. Which letter will come? C. U. C-U. And will come. Difficult. L-N-T. Yes. Difficult. Write down D I F I C U L T. Difficult. Difficult. Okay. Difficult words. Give little space. W O R D. Yes. Write W should be capital. W O R D. Yes. Words. After that one, two dots and one sleeping line. Okay, children. Words. Difficult words. Again I am repeating. Just write. First letter should be capital D I F. If you can't see this, I will write here. See, after I will erase it. D I F I C U L T. Difficult. D I F and F should be in the four line. F and F, double F and I in two line. C U L T. Difficult. And give little space. Then word. W should be in the capital. Three line. W O R. O after, upon that you should write the R letter. R D. Yes, after that two dots and one sleeping line. Okay, children. Difficult words. I think you can see now. Difficult words. The first word is difficult words. D I F F I C U L T. Difficult words. You have to write in the first line. You have to write in the first line. Difficult words. Over. Yes. Just do the underline. After the main, you have to do, for main words, you have to write draw underlines like this. Under this word, you have to write the lines, main things. So, you have to underline it. Okay. Next, shall we write the words? Shall we write the words? Okay. First word. What's the first difficult word? Yes. Which one? Which one? Yes. Yes. Hungry. What is the spelling of hungry? Hungry. What is the spelling of hungry? Hatch. You should write in the next line. Okay, children? Hatch. Hatch should be capital. Write hatch. Next line you have to write in the next line. First line is difficult words and the second line start writing the difficult words. Okay children, first line, first letter is H near the margin. H. Next you have to join and write those words. Okay children, H after U, N, hung. Right? H in 3 line, it should be capital. The starting letter should be capital. Always keep in your mind. H, U, N, hung over. Now G, ri, hung, G, G, hungry, ri, R, Y, R in 2 line, Y downwards 2 line, 3 lines, sorry. Hungry, write neatly. That's why I draw the lines. So you have to write in the correct line. Your notes, your handwriting must be neat. Okay children? Yes. H, U, N, G, R, Y. Hungry. Yes. Over. Okay. Next. Yes. The next word is grapes. Grapes. What is that? Grape means? Yes, fruits. It's a fruits. Grapes. Bunch of grapes. Do you know the spelling of grapes? Yes. First letter G. Gr. G. Now, how many lines? 4 lines. Capital G. Write G. G. R. G. R. R in 2 lines. You have to join the letter and you have to write it. Okay children. G. R. Gr. A. A. Gr. A. P. P. S. E. Yes. G. R. A. P. E. Yes. Grapes. Write down children. Write neatly in a proper line. G. R. A. P. E. Yes. Grapes. Over, hungry and grapes. 2 difficult words over. And one more. Third one is which word? Hungry, grapes and bunch. Bun. Bun. What is the spelling of bun? Bun. B-un. Which letter will come? B-U-N. Bunch. Ch means which 2 letter will becomes ch? Which 2 letters will becomes ch? Ch. C and H. It becomes ch. So shall we write the bunch spelling? Yes. Say B. B must be capital or small? Yes. Capital letter. B-un. U-N. B-un. Ch. Ch means ch. C and H. B-U-N-C-H. Bunch. It becomes bunch. Write down. Write it neatly. Over. B-U-N-C-H. Bunch. Over. 3 words over difficult words. One is hungry, grapes and bunch. Hungry, grapes, bunch. Over children. Yes. The next word is, you have to write down, but I will write here. Okay children? I will erase and I will draw the lines again. Who is speaking there? Huh? Say, repeat once again those words. Which are the words I have given now? One is hungry and another one is grapes and the third one is bunch. Hungry over bunch and next one is grapes. Hungry, bunch and grapes. Okay, shall we write few more words? Yes. Bunch, grapes, hungry over. Which is the next word? To search in your textbook, you can see some of the difficult words. Now, walk. Yes, first one, walk. What is the spelling of walk? W should be three line. W over. Have to write in the next line. Okay, children? For me, there is no place. So, you have to write now. First line is difficult words and next line you wrote the spelling of hungry. And the next line you written grapes. And next one is third line is bunch. In the next fourth line you have to write the spelling of walk. Next line you have to write one after the like one after another. Okay, children? W A, the two line A L K. W A L K becomes walk. Walk. I told already. Here which letter is silent? A. No, which letter? L. Very good. Walk. Walk. What is the spelling of walk? W A L K. It becomes walk. Over. Write neatly. I'm going to give you 5 star, 10 star, whose handwriting is very nice. Okay? Yes. And you will get high five from me also. Okay, children? Yes. Next, walk over. Next word is tries. Very good. Tr. First letter is T. T. Next, tr. T, R, R, tr, T, R, tr, try, I, yes, try, is, I, E, yes, it becomes tries. Okay, I will write down here, T, R, I, E, yes, it becomes tries, T, R, I in two line, R also in two line, T should be capital, it should not be in the three line. R-I-E-S, tries. Tries over. And the next word is, which word? Yes, saw. Saw, what is the spelling of saw? Yes, S in a three line, S capital letter, yes, S, saw, O, U, R, saw, S, O, U, R, right here, yes, O, U, R, saw, S, O, U, R, S in three line, O in two line, U, R, right? The joint letter. Okay, children, write in the joint letter. S O U R. Saw. Yes. O U R. Over. And one more last letter is fox tries. Again. What is the spelling of again? What is the spelling of again? Yes. A, G, A. Now you can see your textbook and you can read. Okay. Walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. And the next word is tree. R-I-E-S. Tries. Over. T-R-I-E-S. Tries. Over. The last word is song. S-O-U-R. Song. Okay, now I will erase this. And the last word is. And the last word is again. Yes. A should be capital. G, A-G-A-A-in, I-N, A-G-A-I-N. See? A capital in 3 lines, G downwards, A-I-N, again, A-G-A-I-N, again. Write down, again. Over. Okay, once again I will repeat, I will write those words. First word is hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y. Hungry. Then grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Hungry. Grapes. Then bunch. B-U-N-C-H. Bunch. B-U-N-C-H. Check it out, children. If you miss any letters, just write now, okay? B-U-N-C-H. Bunch. Over. Next word is tired. T-I-R-E-D. Tired. T-I-R-E-D. Tired. Over. And the next word is song. S-O-U-R. Song. Then yes, one more word is there. Walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. W-A-L-K. And is there. Okay. Just find it out. Okay, children. If you say those letters, just you write. Okay. Walk. And the last word is again. A-G. You can't see here. I have write here. Here is there. It is there here. A-G-A-I-N. It's again. Say repeat again. Hungry. Grapes, bunch, tired, salt, and walk. W-A-L-K. Walk and again. A-G-A-I-N. Okay, children. These words are called difficult words. Which word is this, children? These words are called difficult words. It's very little bit difficult to pronounce. Okay, children. Yes. Keep your book neatly and you should practice daily with three letters, three words. Okay, children. 2 words also okay. If it is 3 also okay. You should practice daily those words. Okay, I am going to give you next class. Maybe I am going to give you a dictation. Okay, children. See, daily practice those words. This 7 difficult words. Okay, children. Yes, I hope you all understood this class. Please keep your books neatly. Mention the date. Here, whenever you start writing the notebook, you have to mention the date and the chapter name, chapter number, and chapter name, and write in a proper way, one after another. One line after one line. Next line you have to write. Okay, children. Let's keep your books, notebook, and textbook neatly and bind it over and write your name. Okay, children. And daily you have to practice those words and read the lesson. Okay, thank you, children. I hope you all understood the lesson. Okay, now I will wind up the class. We will meet in the next session. Okay then. Until then, bye bye, children.